Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Tradingview not working using the most effective 2026 troubleshooting methods. This is a mechanical necessity for any trader whose studio rig has become sluggish or unresponsive, ensuring your technical charts are candidly refreshed and ready for professional market analysis. Let's get into it. First, access the Tradingview app settings. The first step is a mechanical necessity for 2026 app management. You need to move beyond the chart and into the core technical configuration of the desktop environment. Click on your profile icon or the three-line menu in the top left corner of the Tradingview desktop app. From the drop-down menu, select App Settings. In 2026, the desktop app settings candidly house all the professional parameters for your local installation separate from your web-based profile. Next, verify the About version and updates. To ensure your market analysis isn't hampered by amateur quality bugs, you must technically verify that you are running the latest 2026 build. In the Settings window, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the About tab. Review the version number. In 2026, the app should candidly check for updates automatically. If one is available, click Restart to update. Staying updated is a professional standard. It ensures that any high-end 2026 features, such as PineScript V6 improvements or new technical drawing tools, are fully functional in your studio workspace. Next, navigate to the Service Technical Hub. When the app feels sluggish, you need to access the high-end maintenance tools located in the Service section. While still in the Settings window, click on the Service tab in the sidebar. The Service tab is the mechanical necessity for 2026 app health. It technically isolates the system-level functions like data storage and reset protocols from your visual preferences. Locate the Clear Cache button within the Service menu. Click it and confirm. The app will technically remove temporary files while keeping your layouts and professional bookkeeping intact. Find the Factory Reset button at the bottom of the Service tab. Click it, but be aware this will technically remove your local settings and logged-in accounts. And that's pretty much it. To maintain your Tradingview desktop app in 2026, navigate to Settings and check the About tab to verify your software is updated. Move to the Service tab to technically clear your cache for better performance, or perform a factory reset to candidly resolve deep-seated technical glitches. This professional workflow ensures your high-end studio charts remain fast, accurate, and ready for your 2026 market analysis. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.